So hello fellow banknote and coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video, and this is an actual unboxing. So here's a nice beautiful card I got from him. Hi Glenn, thanks again for your business. Until next time, regards. Is that regards? No, Chris and Nick. And on this side, this is the actual people. Here's their actual website, and I actually quite like buying from them. So anyway, if you need coins or banknotes, just have a look at their website, and here's their phone number if you want to call them, and they can actually help you with all your coin and banknote collecting needs. So what did I get? Not too sure. Bought quite a few things, and I actually quite like the black packaging in this. Black. Ooh. There we go. Let's have a look. Looks like most of them are common coins. First we have an Italian 5 lira. So this is during the Republic. And this one is dated, it's 1927. It's probably in a fine condition. Has the R mint for Rome, L5 for 5 lira. Has the fascus down below, and there's a axe and the Roman eagle. So this is actually a fascist issue. So issued under Mussolini. It took power in 1922. And the other coins I have some Ottoman coins. So looks like a 20 para, so a half piastre. And that one is dated 1277, so I think that's 1888 or something like that. And here we have Regal Year 4. This one looks like a 5 piastre, 1293. This one's the same date, just a bit damaged. How about the back? What year is it? So this one's year 27. That one's also year 27. So it's nice. I do like buying Ottoman coins. So these are Ottoman Empire, which is now Turkey. So this is, I think it's similar size to the actual penny. So here's the penny. Oh, it's a bit bigger than a penny. And this, I can't remember what they actually call this, but that's the actual name of the actual Sultan. And here, probably have Ottoman Empire. Need to look that up. But that's a nice coin. Then it's got some other coins. Got Japanese coins, 5 yen, 50 yen. What year is that? 52 of Showa. Then we have the old 500 yen that was changed in the year 2000 because it looked like the actual 500 Japanese, South Korean won. Here's a 10 sen from Japan. 49. Here's a 5 sen. This one is a 1 sen. And this one is dated the 5th year. So can't remember what day actually took power. And we have a lot of other coins. So I have French coins, French Pacific. I actually got it for this coin. So this is actually a... let's have a look at this. So we've got 2 coins here. So we've got this one from the franc from the 1960s, and this one's from the early 1900s. And as you can see, they actually readopted the same design when they issued the new franc in 1961. And if we turned it over, so we've got 1915, 1960. Probably say, oh, these are equal value. No. This one, you needed 100 francs to equal 1 franc. So this was a devalued franc because of inflation. These coins they were replaced after the First World War because of inflation that happened in France and all the countries that participated in the First World War. The pound system and the United States dollar system, or Canada dollar as well, are the only ones that really retained their value. So that's a nice design. I should make a video on that. I don't have the 1 franc of that design, so then we've got 10 and 20 centimeters. So we've got New Caledonia. Got those coins already. New Caledonia. Oh, 100 lira from Italy. I thought I sold all my lira coins, but I guess I have to resell them again. And then just got some more French coins. I don't have this one, 25 centimeters. And as you can see, there's 2 different 5 centimeters. So this was the first issue in stainless steel. Then I changed it to aluminium bronze. So anyway, looks like I got a year series here. Need to check out what dates they are. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like these coins. Oh, I hate the way these reflect on the actual light. Sorry about that. And beautiful French coins. These are actually nickel. Anyway, I'll leave it here, because that's basically it for the video. There's really nothing else to show. And have an awesome coin collecting time, and thank you very much, and bye bye.